Alright, this is Antoine Jamar and this is Eastside Extra.
Hey, that was really good. It'll be on there. Trust me.
Good morning and welcome to episode 10 of the Eastside Extra.
We appreciate everyone who voted for this past week's reggaeton music competition.
Everyone's tracks were really good, but we could only select one winner.
Drum roll, please.
We'd like to announce Austin Advincula as the winner of the Reggaeton Challenge. Congratulations.
Be on the lookout for more of these music competitions, especially our upcoming Halloween special.
Speaking of Halloween, what are we going to be?
Dude, I think I'm going to be the same thing I am every year. You know, a
supermodel?
Yeah. Exactly. Sadly, Hispanic Heritage Month has come to an end.
Thank you to all those who participated in making this month feel so special.
We'd like to end off Hispanic Heritage Month with a couple of words from Miss Gottschalk.
Roll the clip.
Feliz mes de la Hispanidad a todos. The Hispanic Heritage Month celebration is a very important celebration for our culture, obviously. We had in our show, we had the opportunity to learn a little bit about the countries, about their important cities, about their food, about their important artists. And so I hope that you enjoy this celebration. Thank you.
Gracias, Miss Gottschalk.
And now for this week's Eastside News.
Good morning, Lions, and welcome to this week's admin news. Students, please be sure to be in class or have a pass. If you are caught in a tardy sweep or other disciplinary actions, then you will not be able to attend the homecoming football game on October 22nd or the homecoming dance on October 23rd.
Hey, you want to go to homecoming?
I'd love to, but I got caught in a tardy sweep.
Oh.
We would appreciate it if the destructive TikTok trend and other inappropriate bathroom acts would end soon. It may have been funny when they were innocent jokes, but now it is causing the bathrooms to be closed and punishing other students.
Yesterday, sophomores and juniors officially took the PSAT for the 2021-2022 school year. We hope it was not too stressful and gave you a general idea of what you should expect for when you take your SATs for your junior and senior year. With that being said, today is a flex day and we'll be getting out at 12:47 instead of a regular time. If you are not sure how to spend your free hours, we strongly recommend watching the new season of On My Block before there are too many spoilers being told. That is all for this week's admin news. See you next time, Lions.
Good morning, Lions. This is the student support side of the Eastside Extra, back with more news relevant to you. This is a reminder that there won't be any tutoring after school for October 14th and 18th, so don't come to tutoring
today
or on Monday, although tutoring should resume back to its normal schedule after the 18th. Attention students, we wanted to let you know of the new show on GOedtechGO called Mama, aka Mid-Afternoon with Michael and Anna. It's a talk show where Michael and Anna highlight the positive things about the Eastside campus. The first episode aired last Wednesday, starring guests Jasmine Quiros, Jackie Perez, and Andrew Alvarez. Make sure to watch the episode to see real students talk about the positive aspects of Eastside. Although it might seem that there are not too many positive things happening on Eastside, we have areas where we are able to demonstrate strength and pride. We have the second highest graduation rate in the district, an increase in athletics and activities participation, and a decline in suspension rates. As Eastside students, make sure to follow the Eastside core values to keep up the good work. Remember to respect, overcome, aspire, and rise. These are values you should not only uphold on campus, but in your community as well. Remember, if you get a reward card, make sure you turn it into Miss Carissa in the activities office to earn your prize and maybe even the grand prize. That's it for the student support side of the Eastside Extra. Tune in next week for more news relevant to you.
Hey there, seniors. My name is Michael Southworth, and I am your 2022 class reporter. I just want to let you guys know that our official Instagram page has now been made, and you seniors can keep up with current events and activities of the senior class. You can follow us here at EHS_Gemini Class of 22.
Hey Lions, today we are back with the Academy News. This week the Biomed freshmen are making a portfolio website which will hold everything they would do all 4 years in the Biomedical Science Academy. Be ready freshmen, because in 3 years you will be doing senior defenses. The Biomed seniors are designing an emergency room. Let's pop in and take a look.
Hey, I'm Michael Southworth, and right now the Biomed seniors are working on a fun ER project that's in cohort with government and Biomed. In government, we learned how to create a bill, which will be passed into Congress that will benefit our healthcare system. Now in Biomed, we're actually designing an ER that will both solve healthcare problems and is impacted by our bill.
The Avid sophomores are doing tutorial request forms, also known as TRFs, and presenting their All About Me slides, which are formatted in the Halloween spirit. Let's take a look. The Avid seniors are applying to colleges. I can't wait to see where they're headed. Let's pop in with a few of them.
Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a senior in Avid and I'm applying to UC Riverside.
Hi, I'm Millie. I'm a senior in Avid and I'm applying to Cal State Fullerton.
Hi, my name is Vivian. I'm a senior in Avid and I'm applying to Harvard this fall.
Now, without further ado, here are the Academy Students of the Week. Stacy Garcia and Maria Garcia, with no relations at all, are the Avid Sophomores of the Week. Now, here's the Biomed Sophomore of the Week, Jalen Martinez. Congrats to these phenomenal students. That's all for Academy News. Make sure you tune in each week. See you all soon. Bye, Lions.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Activity News. Here's a friendly reminder to those who signed up for the Mario Kart tournament hosted by ASB.
Hey Lions! Just a reminder that today after school we are hosting a Mario Kart video game tournament from 1 to 3 p.m. in the Black Box Theater.
Snacks will be sold, and make sure you bring your +1. Hope to see you there. Bye, Lions!
We want to give a big congrats to the Esports team who just had their first official victory in a Rocket League match. Here's some clips of their epic win.
Starting next week is Spirit Week. Monday is Fancy Plaid Day. Tuesday is 90s Duos. Wednesday is Wear Pink Day. Thursday is Twin Day. Friday is Wear Your Class Colors Day.
Attention seniors! Senior portraits are due by the end of November. We want you to be in the yearbook, so you need to get your portraits done by then. If you haven't gotten your portraits done, please contact Miss Wallace by email or go to her room in 152 for more information as soon as possible. Thanks for tuning in for this week's Activity News.
Hello Eastside Lions, this is the athletic segment of the Eastside Extra. First off, we want to give you all a small reminder that there will be girls basketball tryouts this Saturday in the small gym from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. If you are interested, please see Ms. Wallace in room 152 for more information. If you are interested in joining boys or girls wrestling, Mr. Smith is having preseason training every day after school from 3:30 to 6:30 in the wrestling room. For more information about joining the team, come see Coach Smith in room 142 during snack or lunch. If you didn't know already, girls tennis has practices every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at Steve Owens Park, and matches on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Their team has grown from 5 from the first week of September to now 14 young ladies who are building their skills and rallying hard against the competition here in the AV. Good luck to our girls golf, volleyball, and tennis teams for the upcoming matches this week. Hey Lions, our junior varsity football team will be going against Pete Knight here at Eastside on Thursday, October 14 at 5:30 p.m. On the day after, our varsity football team will be going up against Pete Knight at their field on Friday, October 15 at 7 p.m. Students can purchase advanced tickets only in person at the student store during snack and lunch prior to the Friday game. Students may only purchase their own ticket and must show their student ID to enter the football game and must have your advanced ticket receipt to enter. And now for Athlete of the Week.
Congratulations to Girls Athletes of the Week, Thariah Khan and Giselle Cruz, both for earning their personal best at the recent golf match.
Athletes of the Week, come to room 118 for your free Jersey Mike sub.
Now let's look at some of this week's athletic highlights. That's all for this week's athletic segment. Tune in next week for more information.
Hey everyone! everyone, I'm Juliana, and I'm going to be introducing your homecoming court candidates. And here they are. Hey guys, I'm Sky Murillo, and I'm a freshman here at Eastside, and I'm running for Freshman Lady. Hope you guys vote for me.
Hi, my name is Kayla McCaslin, and make sure to vote for me for your Freshman Lady.
Hi, I'm Ty, and vote for me as your Freshman 2021 Homecoming Lady.
Hi guys, my name is Julissa Duenas, and I am a freshman here at Eastside. Make sure to vote for me as your 2021 Homecoming Lady.
Hey, I'm John Lloyd San Gabriel, and I'm a freshman at Eastside. I'm running for Homecoming Lord, and hope you vote for me.
Hi you guys, I'm Dayanara Torres, running for your sophomore Duchess. Make sure to vote for me to represent all things diversity.
Hi guys, my name is Jamie Neitz, and I'm running for your Homecoming Duchess. Vote for me.
What's up everybody, my name is Jalen Atkins, and I'm a junior here at Eastside. Make sure you guys vote for me for your Junior Prince.
Hey guys, my name is Julissa, aka Julie, and I'm running for HoCo Princess, and I hope you guys vote for me.
Hi guys, my name is Saraya Mosqueda, and I'm a junior here at Eastside, and I'm running for Homecoming Princess. Vote for me.
Hi everyone, I'm Gia Gomez, running for Junior Prince. Vote for me.
Hey Lions, I'm Vivian Segura, and I'm a junior at Eastside High School. I'm running for Homecoming Princess. Make sure to vote for me.
Hi, I'm Savannah Lopez, running for Homecoming Princess. Vote for me.
Hi, my name is Kiara Ward. I'm a senior, and I'm ready for Homecoming Queen. Make sure you guys vote for me.
Hey, I'm Elijah Salger, and I'm running for you guys' Homecoming Queen. Hope you guys vote for me.
Hi, I'm Andrew Alvarez. I'm a senior at Eastside, and I'm running for your Homecoming Queen. Please vote for me.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Eastside Extra.
We'd like to also give a special thank you to Jaden Bivens for making the thumbnail for our YouTube videos.
And also, Coach Parker really felt the love this week for his big win on Employee of the Month.
Let's see some of those photos.
Again, thank you all for joining us here.
We'll see you next week.
Adios.